Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to talk about the fourth way that you can make an white competitive English saddle pad. Really pretty much based off of this pattern. Okay, so I've showed you, how to just do felt. I've showed you how to do felt, stuffed into fabric, and I've kind of shown you how to use a sewing machine to make yourself a quilted pad. There's another way, and that's where you save up your money, a lot of money, and then you go ahead and buy yourself an embroidery machine and the software that allows you then to have the embroidery machine do all of the lines for you. So this is a dovetail pad, and I can do them in pairs. So the machine actually makes them like this. So I end up with two, and that would be dovetail. Here's another dovetail. This is a traditional sized, really tight quilt there. It was traditional size competitive pad. I've already glued over the back side. I mean, I could, if I wanted to, go ahead and glue on another piece. Not that big a deal for me. I don't think anybody notices. There's another one, and then I can reduce it inside the actual embroidery machine. After I put the pattern in, I can say make it 15% smaller, 25% smaller, or whatever, and then I end up with these pads. So that's our standard size, and so I've come up with this. So this is the solution I'm going to use for my dressage situation. Okay. Thank you for spending time with me today. I definitely appreciate it. And I know today was a brief video, but I hope you found it informative. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends, and have yourself a really good day.